Today, I'll show you how to remove the rear bumper on a Hyundai Elantra 7th generation facelift. I'll go through the entire process as quickly as possible while making sure not to miss any important steps. Be sure to watch until the end so you don't overlook any details and can complete the job without any problems. First, open the trunk. Before removing the rear bumper, we need to remove both taillights because the bumper is secured by fasteners hidden behind them. Start by removing the trunk trim panel. It's held in place by several plastic clips, so carefully remove them using a trim removal tool or a similar tool. Once the trim is removed, you'll have access to the taillight mounting nuts. You'll find three 10mm nuts holding the taillight in place. Using a ratchet with a 10mm socket, remove all three nuts completely. Then, disconnect the electrical connector from the taillight. Next, carefully pull the taillight straight toward you while gently rocking it from side to side. The outer edge is secured by a locating clip, so it may require a little extra force to release it. Once it pops free, remove the taillight completely. With the taillight removed, you'll now have access to the rear bumper fasteners located underneath it. Remove these fasteners, then repeat the exact same procedure on the opposite side by removing the second taillight and all of its mounting hardware. Now move to the wheel arch. There are three screws securing the bumper. One at the top, one in the middle, and one at the bottom. Remove all three using a ratchet and the appropriate socket or bit. You'll also find a plastic retaining clip underneath. Remove it carefully using a trim removal tool. Repeat the same steps on the opposite side of the vehicle. Once all the fasteners have been removed, grab both sides of the bumper and carefully pull them outward. The side clips will release from their mounting brackets. I'll also show you how these clips look from the inside so you can better understand how they work and avoid breaking them. Repeat the same process on the other side. Now, pay close attention to the top center section of the bumper. This is a fastener that many people overlook, and it's often the reason the bumper won't come off. Carefully pull the upper part of the bumper outward and locate the plastic retaining clip. Use a flathead screwdriver to release the clip. If necessary, gently pull the bumper toward you while releasing the clip, and it will come out much more easily. Next, move underneath the car and remove all the plastic clips securing the bottom of the rear bumper. I'll show the location of each clip in the video so they're easy to find. After that, pull the center section of the bumper outward to release it. Before removing the bumper completely, don't forget to disconnect all electrical connectors, including the parking sensor connectors and any other wiring your vehicle may have. Once all the connectors have been unplugged, the rear bumper can be removed completely. That's it. The rear bumper has now been successfully removed. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment below. Your support helps the channel grow and motivates me to create more detailed repair and disassembly guides for the Hyundai Elantra.